In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Xero dashboard. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to customize your dashboard for better efficiency, you're in the right place. A personalized dashboard can make a significant difference in how quickly you can access the information that's most important to you. So let's dive in and make your Xero dashboard work best for your needs. First things first, we need to get into Xero, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. It's important to start here to ensure you're accessing the official Xero site for your security. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This is your gateway to customizing your dashboard. After clicking on the login button, the next step is pretty straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take your time to type in your credentials correctly. Remember, your email and password are the keys to not just editing your dashboard, but managing your financial information securely. Once you've entered your credentials, simply click on the login button. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for accessing your account and subsequently your dashboard now you're in. But where to from here? You need to navigate to your dashboard, look for the dashboard option, or use the direct link provided in the access instructions. The dashboard is essentially your home base in Xero, where you can get an overview of all your financial activities. Once you've found your way to the dashboard, you're ready for the next big step. Here comes the fun part. Editing your dashboard, look for a button or link that says Edit Dashboard. This option is your ticket to customization. It allows you to tailor your dashboard to show exactly what you need in the way that's most helpful for you. Whether you're looking to add new panels for a quick overview of your bank balances or invoices due, or you want to rearrange the layout for better efficiency, this is where you make all that happen. After clicking Edit Dashboard, take your time to explore the customization options available to you. Xero offers a variety of widgets and sections that you can add, remove, or rearrange to suit your preferences. This is where knowing what's most important for your daily financial tracking comes into play. Think about the tasks you perform regularly and what information you need quick access to. Your dashboard should make it easier for you to perform your daily tasks by providing quick snapshots of the financial metrics most relevant to you. When you've made the necessary changes and you're happy with the new look of your dashboard, it's time to save those changes. Look for a button that says Save Changes. This will update your dashboard with all the customizations you've made. It's crucial to ensure that all your edits are saved. The last thing you want is to spend time making your dashboard perfect, only to find out none of the changes were applied because you forgot to save. And just like that, you've successfully edited your Xero dashboard. Take a moment to navigate through your newly customized dashboard. Familiarize yourself with its layout and how your chosen widgets and sections allow you quick access to the information you determined was most important. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you go forward. Regularly revisiting your dashboard's layout and settings can help you remain efficient. As your business evolves, your dashboard should evolve with it. Explore different widgets and configurations. Sometimes, even a small change can make a significant difference in usability or provide you with insights you hadn't realized were useful. Congratulations! You've taken an important step towards making your finance management more personalized and efficient. Remember, your Xero dashboard is a powerful tool at your disposal. With the steps we've gone through today, you can continue to tweak and improve it, ensuring it always meets your changing needs. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, consider exploring more of our tutorials to become even more proficient with Xero. Here's to making finance management a breeze with your newly customized Xero dashboard.